Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rocket Apartmento espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Bruce can do a 1-ounce shot today. Get a nice shot with good crema. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. We have the new, we installed the new pressure stat, and you can see it right there. We tried to get a bigger one in, and commercial size at the customer's request. We tried to move around a bunch of pipes and we just couldn't get it to work. So we have a small one in there. And the hot water is working well. And the pressure stat is set at 1.2 bar. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thank you.